everybody. Today, I would like to say something about mistakes. Mistake, not just say because you get money, you go wan intimidate people wey you no get. Dat thing no too dey nice, e no dey too good. When friend wey you no person wey you no see for a very long time go just come meet you now to try to embrace you, or try to welcome you, or try to ask you for help, you go wan intimidate the person just say because the person no dey the same level with you. Dat thing no dey too good. No bring person down, just take everybody. Just say because you get money now, you wan oppress person wey you never see for a very long time. When the person come greet you, just say because you travel come, you wan fool am just because of the money wey you get. But you no know wetin tomorrow go be. You no know whether this person wey you dey fool or wey you dey wan show say you too get go come get the next day or tomorrow, or come get pass you. You no know. So no intimidate person. Okay, like one boy now, JB, he just travel come. Okay, he just pass him friend. He pass him friend. As him friend see am now, say he say this one no be him friend JB. So this boy Stanley come dey run follow am, dey run follow the car, dey shout just make to stop JB. So when JB stop now, because he dey inside car with some other friends wey newly travel come, so next Stanley run go meet am, go say JB, just like as you know old friends now, oh you are welcome, just dey tell JB like that. When JB come out for inside car, he just look Stanley, look am somehow, just because Stanley no put on the same wear just like am. He feel say Stanley no dey the same class like am, because Stanley dey on rubber shoe. You know, you see that kind thing, that thing no good. The next thing na, he come dey ask Stanley him name. He say, that Stanley come tell am say, it's me JB, it's me Stanley, it's me Stanley. JB say, I can't remember I met somebody like this. You dey tell your friend, your very good friend, say you no remember whether you don see somebody like that. So Stanley come introduce himself to her, say, yes, it's me Stanley, don't you know me? You know that kind of thing. This one na big mistake wey Stanley do to JB. The first thing, he dey run follow the car. The secondly, somebody wey una dey sit together, dey do everything together, you come dey introduce yourself to am again. Dey ask you say, what was that your name again? You go ask your own best friend that word. Then Stanley come dey ask am say, when you do this one, so he come say, oh Stanley, before he come dey try to do say he know Stanley, come dey say he just come 2 weeks back. If he really say he like that Stanley, or he feel say he with Stanley dey the same class, as he come, he for go first of all go try look for Stanley. But this one, he just let Stanley know say he with am no dey the same class again, say dem no dey the same level again. So this one na the mistake wey most people dey do. No let anything intimidate you. No let them intimidate you just say because dem get money. No let them intimidate you with that. Dey the same level, dey the same class with them, dey the same level with them. The mistake wey Stanley do na be this. The first mistake wey he do, he run, dey run, just like he dey chase the car. That one na one mistake wey he do. He no suppose to do that. And secondly, he dey introduce himself again to JB. He no suppose to introduce himself when una be best of friends before. If JB feel say he no remember Stanley name, that means maybe he don lost memory be that. Person wey una dey together, dey do everything together, just because you just travel just some days or weeks or months or years, then you say you forget that name, that means na memory you lost. So na be the mistake wey Stanley do to JB. dey introduce himself to JB. So after everything, then JB dey tell am say, oh, that's my car over there. Why you go dey tell am? That means you dey intimidate your friend now. Say, that's my car over there, the grease color. Why you go do that? You see the intimidation when they give to him friends? Then after everything, Stanley go dey ask am say, okay, he go like to see you, he go like to see, he go like to. Why you wan see am? Stanley dey try now to tell say he need some help. Make JB try help am too. No, that one not supposed to happen. Stanley not supposed to ask JB that thing. Stanley supposed to just greet JB as a friend. The mistake when he just dey make now, he not supposed to run follow the car, and secondly, he not supposed to introduce himself. This one a friend, best of friend, una know una self together. The only thing we for just do, as he see JB, he go just first greet JB. When he greets am finish, not to run after the car. When they don't greet, they don't do everything finish, then just tell Jessica, when you come, if JB don't tell am the time when he take come or when he take arrive, he go say, okay, you've been at town, oh, this, that. Then for them, will tell am say, hope you will enjoy your stay there. Then you leave. Now JB now go try to dey ask for you, to ask for your telephone number or your address, so he go like to see you, he go like to know, make them talk, not you now, because you talk like man to JB, and this time around you let JB know say even if he travel, maybe go more 2-3 years out of the country, una still dey the same class. Una still dey the same class. Not bring yourself down. Not intimidate yourself. Not intimidate yourself to anybody. No matter whether the person get money or you not get. Even if you get nothing, not intimidate yourself. Stand like man to man as your friend. Talk to your friends. Talk to your friend as man to man. Then one elder man again did the same thing to his younger brother. Just because his younger brother not get nothing. His younger brother go advise me and say, look, he get interview to go the next day. Whether his brother go fit lend am just some few coins. I fit put am coins. Not note now. Because for that man, that one a shit for am. That amount when his younger brother ask for. He tell his younger brother, okay, by the next day, he go give you. The next day, his brother just with that, just you can imagine how rich man go do that to his younger brother. He just leave home. His brother go there, knock the door. He not find the elder brother at all. So what did he do? He just okay, as things be, make him go for the interview. Where he dey go, he see him brother sit with some friends just front of one bar, like they said, restaurants. His brother sit there with friends, they drink, they enjoy, they get good time. When he walk to his brother, the next word he use, he ask his brother for the favor now, make he give am the money, make he enter transport. His brother looking friends around like this, just looking friends around like this, like say he dey see ghost. Your own younger brother, when one of them ask say, who be this man? The next thing when this boy talk, or man, when I go call am, you see how money they make somebody they make somebody stupid. He tell him friends, they say he's just one of the beggars around there looking for help now. Even if na beggar, even if na anything you call am, you go intimidate your brother like that in presence of your friends? You called your brother a poor beggar? No. This one na one mistake a brother do, the junior brother do. You not for go meet your brother. You for wait till when he come. You talk to your brother man to man. Then I say, give me the money when I ask for. Or lend me, I'll pay you back. These are the mistake when you make. So sometimes, some people they feel say when they get money, They like to intimidate people wey no get. But no forget, who no get today fit get tomorrow. No let that thing, no make that mistake say because the person get money, you go dey run follow the person. Before the person call you, you go just stand like pole. Just pay attention, dey answer the person just because the person get that money. No, no intimidate yourself like that. No do that. This one na the mistake wey people wey no get money dey do when they see rich men. The first thing wey dem go do before dem go see the rich man for distance, even the person no take note of them, no even do anything, dem go just dey shout, dey hala, dey greet the person for distance. This one na mistake wey dem dey make, big mistake wey dem dey make. And this person don first see you, na him go first see you before you see am. Then why you dey shout? Why you dey make the mistake? Why you dey make the mistake? Just say because you no get money? Take that out. Leave the same level with anybody, whether you get or you no get. If you wan talk to the person, look straight to the person, stand first to the person, ask the person for anything you want. No intimidate yourself. No intimidate yourself because you no get that money. No do am. Mistake too much. You can imagine this one na old friends. Old friend wey dey the best of friends. You dey ask am say, what's that your name again? You go forget your best friend name? You no see how I fit put am say na memory lost. He lost memory. Na im make am forget him friend name. No be the money wey he get. No be the money wey he get. Because he feel say him friend stupid to am, him friend go low to am, na im make am intimidate him friend that way. So no let them use money intimidate. No intimidate yourself. No intimidate yourself. So viewers, thanks for watching my video. If you love my video, just give me thumb and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.